Hello everybody, we are here in San Francisco and Sonos has just announced this new speaker here for the lounge room. It's called the Sonos Beam and it is smaller than the Play Bar. It's a different shape and style to the Play Bass, but one of the things which we love about it is it's now got a voice assistant built in. So, if you want to say things like, Alexa, turn the volume up while you're watching TV. No, you're good. You could be doing other things to control content as well. So you could be asking it to watch something on Netflix. And it can do that because it's got connectivity through HDMI. And this is something that we haven't seen before on any of their home theater products because they used to have optical input. So this is a huge step up, not just from a connectivity point of view, but also now with the voice system built in. It's coming to Australia, $5.99 and on sale July 17th. It must be, for me, the first time I've seen a voice assistant built into a soundbar, but in a way that actually makes sense. And you start to think, this is the first of many. So expect other brands to follow suit. Supporting Amazon's voice assistant today, but will be coming with the Google Assistant later on as well. So Sonos is not married to just Amazon on this, which is a huge thing. So check it out. You have to hear it in stores. You'll be very surprised how much punch it can pack in such a small package.